I dream of that year when, aside from just providing Filipino workers, we will provide Filipino leaders in the global stage. We need more Filipino leaders in the global stage, recognized to be able to lead in multicultural environments, which is now commonplace. I dream of that year when, aside from just providing Filipino workers, we will provide Filipino leaders in the global stage. Not necessarily leaving the Philippines, but being recognized as world-class leaders. And don't get me wrong, there were some in the past. There currently are Filipinos in a multinational organization who in headquarters occupies executive, high-influence positions. My goal is to have more. We can have more, to be recognized not just as workers, but as effective people leaders and business managers. That whenever work is to be offshored or outsourced, the Philippines or Manila is the preferred destination, not just because of our English capability, not just because of labor cost, but because of the leadership skills of the Filipino. People leadership, communication at a global scale, influencing skills, regardless of our levels in the organization. Whether you are a frontliner or a supervisor or a manager or a director level, basta Pinoy, taas natin ang bandila. The making of the global Pinoy. My vision is whenever headquarters from Denver or Atlanta or Dusseldorf or Sydney or Melbourne or London think of filling up global leadership positions, they will consider or they will even think highly of their Filipino managers as candidates. We need more Filipino leaders in the global stage, recognized to be able to lead in multicultural environments, which is now commonplace. Especially because of this extended work from home setup, especially that a lot of employees are now work from home and communicating with others virtually, the world continued to become a much smaller place. With this work from home, video conferencing, virtual communication setup to last until 2021, this will be it. And this now really makes it possible for any person in any nation to just communicate with anywhere else in the world. The biggest barrier to that vision, my dear friends, and I've been holding on to this thesis or hypothesis for the past 13 years.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar, and to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.